Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Chief Minister Pramod Sawant, who is also the Home Minister for the state of Goa, has chaired an inter-agency security coordination meeting including Goa Police, Coast Guard and other central security agencies. This coordination meeting is important in the wake of recent Delhi blast. Talking about this coordination meeting, Chief Minister Pramod Sawant has stated that this meeting will further strengthen the preparedness and response mechanism of all the concerned departments, including state and central agencies. During the meeting, the discussions focused on enhancing inter-agency coordination, streaming communication, and ensuring swift and effective action in the case of any emergency. Pramod Sawant has further stated that we are committed to ensure a safe and secure environment for all. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.